Step into a rat rod, and you'll find a cockpit unlike any other. Forget plush seats and polished dashboards. Here, it's all about raw, unfiltered personality and fearless creativity. Builders scavenge junkyards for battered bench seats, rusty steering wheels, and dented sheet metal, piecing together interiors that scream rebellion. Every piece tells a story. Every weld is a badge of honor earned through sweat and grit. Floors might be patched with license plates, old road signs, or scrap metal, creating a patchwork that's as functional as it is striking. Gauges, often mismatched, rescued from forgotten pickups or classic cars, bolted straight to a dash made from reclaimed steel or wood. Door panels are frequently left bare, exposing the skeletal mechanics within, a deliberate choice to showcase the rawness beneath. Comfort takes a back seat to creativity, with seatbelts fashioned from chain links and shifters, topped with anything from pistol grips to vintage tools. The result isn't just a car, it's a rolling work of art, a tribute to the DIY spirit and the freedom to break every rule. Rat rod interiors are loud, proud, and always ready to race, proving that true style comes from authenticity, not perfection.